Okay, here's the thing. We have a new business, a new thing that we can do almost starting yesterday. And this is actually really interesting because I've seen videos of people doing little pieces of a business, but I think overall we can make something really, really interesting. So in this video, I will explain step by step how you can actually create a business from scratch, starting again yesterday. I want to thank you two people. First one is Mohammed. We live probably in the same area, so thank you Mohammed for the first part of this video. And the second part, thank you Liam. Liam is another YouTuber who makes videos about AAA agencies. So even him, thanks for providing the information. What I do, I always absorb the information and think about it, how to make it better. And then I create overall something that you can guys then appreciate. So in this video, we are doing something a little bit an hybrid between approaching businesses and AAA agencies. So if you don't know what AAA agency is artificial intelligence automation agency. So you will approach businesses to promote your AI tools for them to make business better, save money, all these different things. So I will tell you step by step what to do, how to do it, and why you want to do it. First of all, I want to explain to you what it is so you know exactly what we are doing. As I said, we are approaching businesses, providing them value. So one thing you need to do is, of course, provide value to these businesses, because usually, the traditional agencies, they go to businesses, say, hey, you want to make money? Come here, I'll show you the way to make money. And then if they don't make money, it's their fault, they don't know how to close deals, whatever. But in this case, we are giving value upfront, so the business sees a finished product beforehand, and knows that we are actually serious about giving value to our customers. So since this is something brand new, I will start from the simplest thing you can actually promote and sell to customers. You can set your own price, you can do what you want. So what we'll do here, we go on the screen sharing and I show you what it is. This tool is called Custom GPT. What this tool does, this is one of the easiest tools to use. We have all different tools out there you can actually use to create chatbots. One of them is called BotPress. Another one is called Stack AI. You have different bots, but those are a little bit more complicated to set up. So this one is actually super simple. So that's why I'm showing you this firsthand. I will create a bot with you guys so you see step by step how I do it, because one thing that you should know is how to create a tool for businesses. In this case, you start from Google Maps. So this is thanks to Mohammed. We start from Google Maps. And what Mohammed said in this video, he says, okay, you approach businesses and you cold call them and make the rank on Google better. But I think we can do something different here. So you go on Google. Right now, I already did some searches, so it's easier and it's faster for the sake of this video. And you search here for all different businesses. You need to find not the first, the beginning here, the first businesses, because these ones already they're already ranking good on Google Maps. So that's fine. So we need to find businesses that are a little bit more, down here. So we have a way to tell them, hey, your business doesn't rank really good on Google Maps. So I can help you do that. And with better rank, you have more customers. So first of all, you need to choose your business. In this case, we can go with this one here. It's called Heart to Heart. We click here and then yes, they have a website. So you open the website and you have all the website with all the information, the usual stuff that you find on this case her salon website. So what you can do here is create a bot that is trained on the data that is on the website. How you do that? So again, we go on this tool that's called Custom GPT. Custom GPT is a tool that's super easy to use. You can train the model in two ways. With the sitemap, I'll show you how to do that. Or if you want, if you have files from a customer with all the FAQs, all the information about the business, all the things you want the bot to be trained on, you can upload files here. But for the sake of this video, we will go here because you will do this to approach businesses, and you need to find the sitemap of the website. Sometimes it's super easy. At the end of the domain, you just add / and you do sitemap.xlm and you find the sitemap. But sometimes that doesn't work. So what you need to do is go here, you copy the link of the website, then you go on this tool, it's called SEOmator. You paste the website over here, you do submit, you wait for it to do whatever it needs to do, and here it is. You have the sitemap of the business. So you copy the first link here, you go back on Custom GPT, you paste it over here, you name your project, in this case Heart to Heart, because this is the name of the business, yes, and then you do create project. So here I have another bot that I'm hiding because this is a potential customer. I don't want to give the name away. But I mean, the thing you need to check is the first one, because this is the heart-to-heart bot that we are creating. So right now, what is happening? The bot is analyzing all the pages on the website to get information. So when we approach the bot and ask for the information, the bot knows what to respond to a potential customer. And I can show you right now, if I refresh the page, you see I already found 25 items, indexed, I don't know how to pronounce this in English, 25, indicizzato is in Italian, and then you have 9,333 words that are being indicizzato, again, indexed. So you go here on Ask Me Anything, so you can test the bot as well, and you can ask, for example, what time are you opening? So the bot is then analyzing all this information it's got from the website and give a response to the customer in this case. So I'm pretending to be the customer. So as you can see, this is personalized to the business. So it's actually super cool for the business owner to then see his name on a bot that is trained on his data. So this already is a thing to put a foot in and show the customer something cool. But we want to go a step further. So what we've done here is create a bot for this customer so he can actually see a final product. One thing I want to add though. So if you go here on the settings, you need to do two things. First one is go on chatbot and change the image. So maybe you go on the website, you do a screenshot of the website, you go back here and you change, because this is just a default image that custom GPT uses. You can change if you want the color of the chat, you can change the prompt here if you want to. And one thing that is important is share. So you can share it as a link, you can do that. But my recommendation, because if you do this, the customer will see the custom GPT branding. You don't want that. So what you need to do is do embed here. You enable this and you have this code here. Then you go on any landing page generator or website, whatever it is. You just need a web page to then put the code there so that you send the link to that page to the customer so he can interact with the bot. So you have the final product. So to recap everything, we started from Google Maps. We found a business that needs our help. So we analyze the website. We find the sitemap. After do that, we train the bot, we create the bot, we personalize the bot, put it on a web page so that the customer can see it. Save the code, because this will be something you will be using after. I will tell you when. You already can approach a business with this and tell them, listen, this is what we do. You want to work together. You can start using this bot right away for free. Let us know, use it for a week and get back to us after a week. We'll put the bot offline if you're not interested. And if you're interested, we can discuss this forward. So maybe you can create a Calendly page for them to book an appointment with you. This is something you need to do as you want it. So I just tell you the method, and then you have to apply it the best way you feel comfortable to do it. So this is just one thing you can sell by itself. But as I said, I want to go a step further. So in addition to this, we can go on, let's go back here. We can go back on the Google Maps. And as I've said, this business doesn't rank that good on this, here on Google Maps. So if you go on Fiverr, if you don't know what Fiverr is, probably you're living under a rock, so please wake up. So if you go on Fiverr, you can search for people for $10. They can make the rank better for that specific business. So you are selling the service as well, but you're not giving the service saying, oh, we can do that for you. You buy the service and you do it for the business, even if you end up losing the customer or not closing the deal. Because if you do that, you have a final product that a customer can actually see. So to recap everything, you find a business, you build a bot, you send them an email with all the products inside. So saying, hey, this is the bot, feel free to use it free of charge. So you can see, I can give you value before you buy the service from me. In addition, we are also helping you with your Google rank. And this is something, again, we are doing for free. If we end up working together, I'm really happy to know that. If not, that consider something we did for free to help out another business owner. This is something very, very powerful. Trust me. As a business owner, if I am approached by another business owner telling me, hey, I don't want to ask you for anything right now. I just want to show you how I work. And if you like it, we work together. That is something, a person that I would want to work together, because they are just focusing on value first, money later. So that's really important. Of course, where you can make money here. So to maintain this business, you can do as a monthly. So you can do $200 a month, whatever the case might be. You can do your own price, and that will cover the $10 for, you know, the rank every month. You can say every month I can, you know, refresh and keep doing the rank every single month, and I can keep the bot up and running for you every single month. So you can sell that as a monthly subscription or one time, but I don't think that is the best case, because if they pay you for the bot, you still have to pay for custom GPT every single month. That is $49 for, I don't remember how many projects, but that is something you need to consider. So this is the overall business. If you want to use this tool, of course, Fiverr, you know what it is. Link in the description below. Custom GPT, link in the description below. Both of those links, I think, I'm not sure, I have to double check if I can do that. There might be affiliate links, so just want to let you know, if you click on the links and you end up using their services on Fiverr or on Custom GPT, help my channel. So I appreciate that. And I'm including a code for free month. So if you add this coupon code, you can use Custom GPT for free for 1 month, so you can test it out and play around and maybe start closing your first deals. So this is a really interesting business, an hybrid between approaching businesses for Google Maps and as well AAA agency. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to go in depth in this specific business. I think there's a really good potential here because you can build a really interesting business around this idea. Again, let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching as usual, and I'll see you next week with a brand new business.